Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable navigation UX with Sticky Scrollspy step by step clearly. To enable navigation UX with Sticky Scrollspy, start by ensuring you have a web page with multiple sections. Add HTML for your navigation bar and main content sections. Use a container element for your navigation bar at the top of your page. Each section must have a unique ID that corresponds to the navigation links. Ensure that the navigation links are styled for a clean user experience. Include CSS to position the navigation bar at the top of the viewport. Use the position sticky property to make the navigation bar adhere to the top while scrolling. Apply necessary CSS to adjust the appearance of the active link. Utilize JavaScript or a library like Bootstrap to implement the Scrollspy functionality. Initialize Scrollspy by selecting the target container for the navigation. Link the Scrollspy to your specific sections via the appropriate data attributes. Customize the offset in Scrollspy settings if your navigation has additional height. Test the navigation to ensure it updates as you scroll through different sections. Check that the sticky behavior is functioning across multiple browsers and devices. Optimize the design for mobile users, ensuring that navigation is accessible. Confirm that smooth scrolling is enabled for a better user experience. Ultimately, the goal is to create a seamless navigation experience that enhances user interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.